Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about my dream home. Number 1. My dream home is grand and beautiful. Number 2. It has a lovely garden in the front. Number 3. The garden is full of colorful flowers. Number 4. The house has a red roof and white walls. Number 5. There is a cozy living room inside. Number 6. My bedroom is my favorite place. Number 7. I can see the stars from my bedroom at night. Number 8. My dream home has a balcony with a view. Number 9. It is a place full of love and laughter. Number 10. My family and I feel safe and happy there. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.